Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a before after video in CapCut. So first, just add the video that you want to edit and then duplicate it. Click on it and click on duplicate and make one of the video as overlay. Now on the overlay video, let's go to adjust. So here you need to make changes or editing on the overlay to make it obvious for the before and after. So for example, I'm going to increase the contrast and also the saturation. Here I'm going to also adjust the temperature like this. Click on a check icon. Now click on the overlay and add 2 keyframes. So here, go to mask first and select the mirror option, the horizontal, and rotate it like this into a 90 degrees. Okay, and after that, drag the masking to the left like this and add a keyframe and move forward here to the center. And then here swipe the masking to the right like this. After this, just click on the check icon and this is the result. Okay, so this is the before and here is the after. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.